Glyphic. They make customizable goodies. Everything, mugs, shirts, you name it.
Hey everybody, it is November 21st. I'm wearing a shirt for RivicMedia.com. They're a design and development shop, and they've got a bunch of different clients that they've worked with. You know I'm an Apple fan. If you don't know, I'll prove it to you. iPod Touch, my iPhone, my old iPhone 2G, I think it's dead. 2 iPod Shuffles, I don't know why I have 2, but I have 2. The 17-inch MacBook Pro, this is the backup now. And everybody should know the 13-inch MacBook Pro from SoundVisionLibrary.com. Well, why am I showing you all this stuff? Because Rivic Media is hooking you guys up with an 8GB iPod Nano. This is a red one, and it's the new one with the bigger screen, and it also has video on it. And of course, if you guys know, the red stuff goes to AIDS in Africa, so it's going to a good cause. Hurry up, go leave a comment at Rivic Media's blog. Say anything you like, get creative with your comments. There's over 100 already, so a bunch of people want to win this iPod. Thanks to the Rivic Media guys for the iPod, for a fun day, and we'll see them again in 2010. They've already purchased, and there's only 93 days left. Maybe I should buy some stock? What do you think? Microsoft stock? Okay.
Every day this month of November, Glyphic is giving away a customizable t-shirt.